Spray the bugs, you know, that's what I think.
Yep, I know.
Yes, the Hawker, not the citation, that's correct. We're waiting for the Hawker. Delta Zero Mike Echo, you're next. Move up close to the 1-3 right, please.
Yep.
Check, 903, runway 1-3 right.
A320 taking off.
Delta Zero Mike Echo, 1-3 right, line of the way.
Should send a barrier between these birds and
Yeah. Yeah, I know, that's the thing.
Is it on video?
Yeah, I got it on video. What's up there, Julian?
Much. Fun there.
Yeah, we're all spotting today. Yeah.
As you can see.
Got my camera, my scanner all out. All bags are right here, of course.
Right where I'm pointing. And they're currently using 1-3 right for departures and 1-3 left for arrivals.
Right. And we were originally planning to get out to the mountains today, but unfortunately they switched when we were on the way while we're on the Q113 bus.
Isn't that crazy?
So I was like, yeah, what's this little thing up there? Looks like a cargo. No. It's definitely a Cessna, but I'm not sure like who it is. Can hardly see with this camera, but we got our whole lineup over there. Something else, General Aviation taking off. I can't really see it though.
What would be nice is actually if they use runway 4 right here.
Runway 4? Yeah, that's good for the mornings though.
If the planes are taxiing right out here, then we would see them.
Yeah, but it wouldn't be worth shooting though because it'd be all backlit. The morning time is actually perfect for that though. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, it's perfect for that. I mean, you know, because everything comes from this way and it comes to land here where I'm facing right now. So, and then you also got the takeoffs right there, like we were talking about a minute ago. How, you know. Got a 737 taking off. Appears to be American. He's gonna come right this way. Gorgeous day today, a lot of light. The A320 taking off. He's gonna go right over us, it looks like.
Yeah, he's gonna be turning right here.
Say that again?
He's gonna be turning right here, like right over us.
Yep. Yeah, he's a little heavy, this guy. Heavy taking off. Hold this right here. Even if you have to get me taking it. Wow. Is that Lufthansa?
It looks like Lufthansa.
Yeah, it's Lufthansa. Get me.
Lufthansa in the 30.
Came out good so far, man. Just wish it didn't turn out too early because it would have been perfect, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, because when I was trying to shoot it, I was gonna say he turned out heading up 110. So it's like it's gonna be there's another heavy coming up. It's another air Berlin. He's gonna come this way, so. Look at that rotation. Beautiful. He's gonna come this way again.
Yeah.
You're kidding me. Fenier's clear to take off. He's rolling. He's gonna go 110 from where this seems to be here, so he's rolling right now on runway 13, look right. So let's get it. He's rotating. Looks like he's gonna turn. No, actually, he might come. He's gonna go straight out. He's gonna turn. Got a takeoff that's going to be happening in a second. Caribbean Airlines is going to be next after whatever comes first. There's and he's rolling now from what it looks. Let's see if I can see who he is. This one's a Delta 737. He's gonna come directly this way. 155, they said. shit. That would have been a good shot right there. Just get him banking like that.
Alright.
Made an error right there. There goes Caribbean. Camera shut off by accident. Well, I was trying to shoot. I did it. I got it though.
Yeah, it's right in the trees.
Yep. 757. Oh shit! Look, 2-2.
Not cool.
Ain't this a bitch? I was hoping to send many of them over there before. Definitely one of the XTWA birds.
Yes.
You know?
And something or other TW.
Yeah. I could look in the registration. Let me see what it is real quick. I'll tell you in a second. It's 709 TW.
709 TW.
Yeah. You know what that was? When TWA used it, that plane back in the early 2000s, that was the film. That used to be a special scheme for the St. Louis Rams.
Cool.
Yeah. See what that is that just landed.
It's gotta be a big one. British Airways?
Yeah, it's British Airways 777. I think it's a 200 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a 200. Nothing big. A 300 I'll go with. A 300 I would definitely go with, but the only thing is because they're not as popular as the 200 series because the British Airways operates a number of them. So it's combining, and there's another heavy coming up.
So as you can see, this is what we plane spotters do. We take pictures of planes, share them online, share them on Facebook, show them any social networking websites that we are members of, and we have fun. Is that right, Sergio?
You bet. You bet. It's all about positive and all that stuff. All the good. It's a good hobby we have, and it's the fact that this is something not everybody in the world will always get to see. You know, especially people that fly as airliners like that today. It's a whole different story.
And that plane's loud. Currently, what you are seeing is an Austrian Airlines Boeing 767 taking off.
777, actually.
777, rather.
That's one of 4 in the fleet for Austrian.
Mm.
Onappon's getting ready to leave too, I see. He's gonna turn out early, that's for sure. Because he's gonna go fly, and he's gonna head 110, and he's gonna make his way towards Tokyo. That's he has one of the second flights of the day.
Mm-hmm.
And something else is taking off. Yes, it is. Let's see what that is next. Alright, this one is a Delta 8030. He's rotating now, really early.
2 minutes to wait behind on the bond, please.
I'm guessing he's gonna go in a heading of 155 or probably 180. I suppose. So we'll just gotta wait and see from the silence.
Delta 184 Heavy, contact the air support.
There's no sign, but he's gonna come this way. Yeah, so... Oh, this is an AP3200. That's the first time I've seen an 3200 of Delta in 2 years.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Because normally I see the 300s. And 300s is primarily what comes here, but they didn't have that many. Especially the fact that now, if you get a view of it, where the tower's at, there you got Terminal 4 that just opened for Delta this past May 24th of this year.
Yeah.
And now pretty much Delta is going to be growing heavily at JFK. Compared to JetBlue.
It's Delta's major gateway in the East Coast.
Yeah. Just like you got United at Newark. Same kind of thing, you know? So, see what else we're going to get here. Because there's KLM is going to be taking off shortly. And there's I think, an American in front of it, if I'm not mistaken. Can't really see. There's something landing on 13 left, it looks like, too.
Yeah.
Another one landing on 22 left.
Wonderful.
Yeah, you see that again. I wish they shifted everything over there to begin with, because we would have been able to bounce. And that's what I was actually hoping today. Unbelievable, isn't it?
Damn it.
See if I see what it is.
Looks like a 777.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. You're right. It looks like Alitalia, maybe. Yeah, confirmed. It's Alitalia.
The wind is 140 at 8. Runway 13 right. Clear for takeoff. KLM 642 Heavy, runway 13 right, line up. Turn left heading 110, contact the air support.
Lufthansa?
110 correction.
It's not like it's Lufthansa. I know they both took off already. We missed the 747.
Yeah.
We blew that. Looks like there's an Air France 777 leaving the gate. Getting ready to taxi at Terminal 1. Okay. Something's rolling. I'm not sure who it is just yet.
The other airports that we go plane spawning at is also LaGuardia, which is just the other side of this peninsula. Well, you have plain view, you have sound view.
Don't mind me at Soundview right now.
I know, right?
I've been getting hassled there a couple of weeks ago. Fucking assholes there.
Yeah, slightly.
It's nothing big. I'm not even gonna shoot it. Right overhead. It's JetBlue Embraer 190 about to come right over us.
And that was a JetBlue Embraer 190 that you just saw taking off. And now...
Julian, 747 rolling.
And now there's a KLM 747 taking off from JFK International Airport. Oh wow, there it is. Wow, look at that beauty.
Yeah, it's nice.
Isn't it beautiful, that plane?
Yeah, it's KLM Asia.
Yes.
This is the second time I ever catch one of these.
KLM 642.
Oh, shit. He turned too early and now I lost light.
I hate when that happens.
No kidding. You made it turn so early.